If we want to add annotation in our design, we have couple of tools where we can do it, and it will help us. So you have this tool named text tool, and you can see there is a box and it has an arrow, so it's help us to create this particular text labeling. So you can find this tool here as well, and the top bar as under the tool you can have this text. So what you do, select this tool, and you can see the cursor change to this particular tool. And what we will do, we'll just want to add what I can say, add annotation to this row. So I want to add annotation to this row. I'll just left click it and drag it. When I again left click it, now the text box has now been activated, and it is giving me opportunity to write the new heading or label under it. If I want to write 2-inch glass door, so when I will click somewhere else, you can see, and we will orbit, you can see this, the text is always facing towards camera. So it will always let you know what is where, and irrespective of the camera angle, and it helps you in this particular way. Even the door is not visible, the text is visible, there is a 2-inch glass door. As well as you can add more label to it. If I want to add label to this, and it's written here pillar, so because the group information or the component was already pillar. So I'll write post here, what I could say, 5-inch steel post. So it's here. Even I want to add some more labels like light. I will make LIGST light, and we have this dimensions. So you can see how it is letting us know there is something that are highlighted and labeled there. And we have another option to move it according to our need. When you select it, and when you select move, and you can move it around anywhere. Like I will move it here, so you can see it is now from outside, the text is from outside. Like even the glass door, I want this from outside. So you can see it's letting us know from the outside of the building that there is a 2-inch glass door here. So you can see it is helping us a lot. So try this tool. This is quite helpful for whenever you make some symbols or modeling, quite explanatory modeling. So whenever you are in a presentation, it will be quite helpful for you to add these details, and the viewer will be it helps with the viewer to understand very easily. So try this tool by yourself. We'll catch up another video in the next lecture.